Hey guys, welcome to KiddzCrafties, and as you probably saw in the title of this video, today I'm going to be making a cardboard drawer. The materials needed is cardboard, markers, rulers, scissors, buttons, or any like beads, and glue. So I started tracing out where I was gonna bend my cardboard just so I could know where I was bending my cardboard piece. Then I'm tracing out where my rectangular square piece is going to go. That will come in helpful for when I'm cutting. After I'm done cutting, then I'll start to glue all the 4 rectangular pieces together once I've copied and drawn all of them. Now that I've made the square, I'm going to cut off the extras. I put a dot where I'm going to place my button just so it can easily be open and closed. And if you guys haven't already, make sure you subscribe to KiddzCrafties. I hope you enjoy this DIY. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!